Magandang hapon po ng October 10, 2023 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 10, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 10, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 10, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 123 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 32 million pesos for Tuesday, October 10, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 10, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.